everybody. It is Friday. I thought that I would film a weekend in the life with me and Ronnie this weekend. It is Friday. I have already had a very hectic morning today. Actually, it is, what is the time? It is 20 after 4 in the afternoon. I just got home from good old Wally World, that obviously is Walmart. I picked up a few things, a few groceries for the weekend, and I found some gems that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm actually going to film a haul here in a minute. Let me show you guys what I bought. Get my stuff up. I found something that I didn't even know that you could buy, and when I found it, I just about flipped my lid. I don't know if you guys know this, but Chick-fil-A now, you can buy the Polynesian sauce. Yes, you can. I love Polynesian sauce. Oh, I should have maybe bought two. I'm not sure, but I was pretty excited about that. It's pretty excited. Then I've got my regular coffee creamer, which is the vanilla caramel, which I love. I got a couple cans of soup. Ronnie is not a big soup eater, so obviously this is for me. I got two of the Progresso chicken noodles. These are 130 per can, which I like. I love those soups. They're just very hearty. And sorry if you keep hearing me hit this chair, but it's catching on me. I got some light brown sugar, some hot dog buns, some wheat bread because, guys, I know you're going to see a lot of junk food in here. Believe me, it's just the way it is. But I am going to try to eat a healthier breakfast every day and have a slice of this with like, you know, a boiled egg or something in the morning, because I just feel like I really need to eat a little healthier. I got some bananas. My favorite all-time salad is the Santa Fe style salad. Love this salad. Got two of those. Got me a couple things of these, which is the makeup remover wipes. These are actually cheaper than the Dollar Tree, so I bought two of those. Got me a package of the Splendid, and I'm going to use that in my teas, my iced teas, because I need to steer away and do a little less sugar. Got a couple things of bacon in here. They had these on sale. They were like $4 and something, and that's an awful lot of bacon in a package, so I got a couple of those. Got some shredded hash browns. So I think I'll make my baby some hash brown casserole one night. Some tater tots. Bought these burgers again. We actually ate these for lunch today. These are amazing, guys. Amazing. I just add a little bit of mushroom and some onion, just salt and pepper the patties and let them cook. They are so good. So I bought another ginormous box, and guess what? This was the last one in the entire store. So somebody is buying these. These were very delicious and very nice price on those. I got bun-size hot dogs because we like our hot dogs. Got some cream cheese. Some cheese singles, which I used the last that I had. And I am picky about my signal cheese. I like the Kraft. I don't really like the generics. I just don't. I don't really they taste plasticky to me or something. Broccoli florets, a big giant bag of those. Love those. Got me some e.l.f. concealer. Just about out of that. Now, mind you that the one that I'm using, I got over a year ago when I got married. So if that lets you know how long it lasts me, that's how long. And it's just time for a new one. So I got me a new one today. Got me a deodorant stick. Definitely a must this time of year, right? Some cookie dough. Some chocolate chip cookie dough. They had that on sale. And I got some sugar cookie dough because I got a really good recipe I seen a lady make the other day. And I thought, ooh, I'm going to try that. And I might make them this weekend. And that way you guys can see if those come out or not. And that would be a great recipe for you guys to try if it comes out. So I've got some eggs, some strawberries, some coconut light and fit yogurt. I bought this. I had my eye on this before. This is the Kung Pao. I think that's how you say it. Pardon me if I say it wrong. But this is from the P.F. Chang's. Love this sauce. I've got some chicken in my freezer, and I thought I might do that with this broccoli and maybe make some rice. Yum. Okay, some butter, because I was completely out of butter. Giant thing of cottage cheese. My husband loves cottage cheese, so I always keep cottage cheese in the masses for him. Two things of the, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this, but it's the coconut sparkling water. This is my favorite, and the stores don't always have it, so I bought 2 cases this time because I'm not messing around. I got to have my coconut water. Another thing of Colombian coffee. I'm not out. I just went ahead and bought because I was there today. Giant thing of dill pickles. We eat a lot of pickles in this house, and I just opted to get the huge mother load of pickles because we love them so much. And pickles aren't bad for you. You can eat pickles. They're good. A thing of chicken nuggets, because what is Polynesian sauce without the chicken nuggets? And I'm going to probably pop those in my air fryer and have them with my new sauce. It just, guys, I'm like 12, honestly. It just sounds so good. Okay, one last item I bought was a giant bag of Epsom salt for my bath. Guys, it is Saturday. I still yet to get that video out to you guys, and as soon as I devour this cup of tea, I am going to go upstairs and put that video out today. I just felt like it was too late to catch any viewers last night by the time I got upstairs. You can tell I have my morning froggy voice. Hello. Anyways, I am drinking Tension Tamer tea with a little bit of milk and a package of Splenda this morning. This is my new favorite thing to drink. It's herbal, and I just trying to cut out just a wee little bit of coffee drinking and try to have something a little bit better for me. It is lunchtime, and we are having Tyson nuggies, or nuggets, chicken nuggets, and I'm having a Diet Coke. I'm finishing off this bottle I bought from Walmart yesterday, so I got it on ice. Ronnie's having chips and some French onion dip, and I already have his Chick-fil-A sauce over there. I've got to pour mine yet. Oh, it's going to be so good. I just can't hardly wait. Old-timey rolling pin, the ones that you used to fill with water. And then it comes with this plastic mat. This one my mother gave me. Definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. I love this thing. My grandmother had one. She had one. We used it when I was little. Love this thing. So I gave it a good scrub today. Got it out for this recipe. So I've got some sugar cookie dough that I bought from Walmart yesterday, and I seen everybody making these cookies, and I want to give it a go. I'm going to roll this out into like a rectangle, then I'm going to put sugar and cinnamon and roll it up into a roll, and then I'm going to refrigerate the dough until it's nice and hard, and then we'll cut it into slices and bake it at 375 to 10 to 12 minutes.
Takes off towards a rock. It's target.
Well, guys, it is another end to another day, to Saturday. I can't believe today has come and gone already. Just had a very casual day at home. No bake cookies, brand new recipe. Usually I always use cocoa powder, but this time this recipe called for chocolate chips. I've never made the recipe before. I didn't even really follow it all that much because I've made no-bake cookies 100 times, and they were amazing. Ronnie really, really liked them. So did I. They were very good. So I think I may make another batch of those because one recipe that I put together didn't make a whole lot, but I think I'm going to make some more. Ronnie really enjoyed those, didn't he, hon?
Oh, yeah, I sure
We'll
did.
see you all tomorrow. Hello, everybody. It is Sunday. I was going to actually clean upstairs and get done and then come downstairs. Well, when I finally was bringing some stuff downstairs to kind of wrap up, my mother-in-law was out here and needed my help, and so I got distracted. Then I went outside after I got off the phone with my son, another distraction, and my neighbor wanted me, so I had to go see my neighbor, and so I just came in. I said, I'm making lunch. I'm hungry. So we're just having burgers, tater tots, something real simple.
Days of the Indian Wars. Home Guard and guerrilla groups.
Good morning, guys. This is going to be the weirdest weekend vlog, but it is actually Monday morning. So happy Monday, guys. This video will be going out today. I cut off yesterday, I think, with you guys when I made lunch for Ronnie and I. I just got cracking on with a lot of things that needed to be done. I will be sharing my cinnamon roll cookies here in a minute. Hopefully they turn out. And then I will close out this vlog. So I hope you guys have enjoyed spending a little of my weekend with me. What they look like on the cookie sheet. And I'm putting these in a 350-degree oven. It says between 12 and 15 minutes, but I'm going to watch them because I really think it has to do with how thick you cut them. And as you can see here, this is not as thick. Also, too, the recipe that I read told me to make my cookie dough at room temperature before I rolled it out. Don't do it because it sticks to everything and then you don't get that real pretty effect roll. These baked about, I want to say about 12 minutes. They are a pretty nice sized cookie, as you can see here by my hand. Very good. I like them. Hope you all have a lovely Monday. Pouring down the rain here, but there's cookies.